Hi viewers, today I would like to show you all how to use crop profile image on Instagram Reels. Let's have a look. First, open Instagram app. Try to create a new reel. So tap plus sign on top right. Then tap Reels from bottom menu. You can start shooting or you can upload a video from your photo gallery. Trim your video, then tap add button on top right. Tap preview. When editing done, tap next to share. You can change your reel's cover image. So tap cover image on top left. To select a cover image, choose a frame from your video or an image from your camera roll. By sliding on your video, you can choose cover image. When image selected, tap done on top right. Enter caption and hashtags. Here you will find a new option, crop profile image. Tap crop profile image. Now you can crop your reel's profile image. Using two fingers, you can crop profile image. When image cropped, tap done on top right. Now share your reels. My reels shared. Tap profile picture icon on bottom left. Here on feed you will see your crop profile image. So these are the steps to use crop profile image feature on Instagram Reels. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.